Today, had announced 5,300 cases per day, new cases of the disease per day in the United Kingdom. And last week, comparison means we're up about 2,000 on last week. Now, we've been discussing whether or not we're going into a serious third wave, and I don't think we can possibly wait any longer. This is the evidence of another wave appearing, and the reason is quite complex. Yes, the vaccination program is working extremely well, and everyone supports it. Why we haven't ramped up production so that we can meet our demand and international demand is an issue that we need to discuss, because certainly we could have had that capacity built up. But what I do think is important is that we know that anyone vaccinated twice is relatively safe against the virus. But let's not forget that the 1 in 25 new cases are people who have been vaccinated twice. That means 400 new cases a day are people who have had the vaccine twice. So I just want to say, while there is an extensive amount of virus out there in the country amongst our people, it is dangerous. Pfizer vaccine has already been given the green light in this country to over 12-year-olds. I think we should run that program forward quickly. But you see, we're opening schools today, and the government has said 12 to 18-year-olds no longer need to wear masks, face masks at school. I don't think that was a wise thing to do, and I do hope the government would rethink this in the light of the current figures. Let me just say about the number of people in our hospitals, which the government says is relatively stable. Well, it's 932 per day going into hospital, which is up 65 from last week. It's not actually stable. It is slowly rising. So what all of this means is that intensive care is needed for a significant proportion of our population today. I do think I'm very reluctant to say that we should not go out of lockdown on the 21st of June. But I think the figures are in now, and it would be wise for the government to announce right away a delay in opening, just so that we can all plan for the post-21st of June period.